Hi, Elaine here with WTI. I have found the most amazing little portable handheld vacuum ever. Take a look at what this little powerful Bissell does on my very heavy traffic steps right here in my house. I'm glad to use the other accessories with it. This crevice tool really helps me to get each of my stairs really clean in the crevice, and I can interchange it whenever I want. And how great is this for your car when you have little space to get into those little teeny cracks? It's really easy to clean, taking out the filter and removing all the hair and the dust, wiping it down with a towel. I just love being able to clean this so easily. And putting it back together is very simple. So if you're looking for a powerful vacuum that's handheld and super easy to clean, you will love this one. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.